Alright guys, so apparently last video after that it would not film. So apparently let me review the 3 diecasts that I haven't filmed yet. So here we got Newman. I couldn't film the unboxing, sorry guys. But apparently this is Newman's car number 6. It has blue on the back of it. There's Oscar Mayo. 6 on it on the roof. This car actually flipped in the 500 if any of you guys still remember that. The front has changed a lot, by the way. Because if you look, hang on, let me look for my Mustang. Well, maybe it hasn't changed. Hang on. Oh, maybe this didn't change. I don't think it did. Oh, it didn't change. Let me look for some. I'm looking for my Mustang right now, so bear with me, guys. Oh, here's one. Oh, yeah, the front has not changed. Sorry, guys. The front has not changed. Sorry. But, yeah, that is Newman. And this came with it, too. This is from the new wave of NASCARs they just released. This car crashed into Volvo, by the way. It's Noah Gregson's number 9 NASCAR Authentics. It crashed into the tire barrier, which I thought it would be done with, because apparently after you crash a car into the tires, it's usually done. But apparently he was still able to run and finish second. So yeah, this is number 9. Branded Lionel Trains. NASCAR Authentics. RCCA. I don't know what that sponsor is. The A checker flag, I don't know. This says driven by a diecast. The back looks a little big for me though. But yeah, this is the 9 on the back side. If you can't, I don't know if you can see, but you can. It's hard to see the detail. Sorry guys. But yeah, it's really hard to see the detail. But if you look really closely, sorry, it might not focus. Hang on. Okay, it's not gonna focus, but yeah, you might be able to see a little detail. This came with it too, hood. I just at least landed on him. This is Jordan Anderson. This is a raced version, I think, because you can see all the tire wear on it. You can see all the scratches on it. You can see the front is kind of dirty. So yeah, if you guys remembered, he was runner-up in Daytona, apparently, when he lost to Grant Enfinger. I don't know how you say it. But yeah, the Silverado, Chevy 3, KCO, Bomberito.com in 3. There's a little chip in there I noticed, but it's fine, don't worry. And it came with this photo from Daytona. Goodbye.